Welcome to another video on my BeagleBoard Classic embedded system. Lots of options. Although this board is now obsolete, but running embedded Linux, Ubuntu Linux, connected to a serial cable right here, USB. Not connected anymore to, or for now, to the monitor you can see there, but via USB connected also to network for VNC, virtual network computing, and to this roller track which I made of fischertechnik. Programmed in Python, it completely controls it. And last time I made here a modification which I'm not really happy with, so focus of this episode is at least to improve it and then to test everything else. So let's get started with the improvement of this particular part. Inverted conveyor belt which has to somehow transport a bullet or roller whatever. And a slightly different view on the camera with the VNC of the BeagleBoard, fischertechnik diagnostics, Python code, and the terminal for running the coder. This is a terminal for the serial part, let me name it. Without this I can't properly start the BeagleBoard, and then the camera. And this part is what I ended with last time. So basically this is an elevation which pushes the track up, and then here is a ball, so it basically rolls the ball over it, but I'm not quite happy yet with this part, and this is the whole idea. So is this the correct part? Where then let's add it. This is the elevation. And then here is the track, obviously. No, which is not correct, because this one goes here, and the track is like this, up and then down, where this part has to be here somewhere. So that is what it kind of looks like. Now, is this part, is this location correct? Not quite sure. Let's run it. And then I have to run all the motors, which is motor 1. Activate. Which I thought it would run everything, but no, this is motor 4. Yep. So with this one, you see the motor roll by, and that grabs it. Okay, let's grab another ball. Okay, let's relocate the camera to see whatever happens from this point of view. Same ball. And that is the part that I was waiting for, and that runs correctly. So, is that the solution? I'm not quite sure, but it looks like it, although this is also not quite what I like. It should be straight, but on the other hand, if this is too tight, this can't bend. So it works two ways. I think I should leave it like this. Any more things? I don't know yet, so let's do a complete test. So in order to show everything, I will keep the camera in hand this time. I have to close this interface and go here, start. Then the bolts go up, and why is that chain not running? Well, this we just tested. So now pressing this switch, should work. So why don't I see a response? I'm not seeing a response from that chain either yet, but this one should be. But it doesn't happen. I have to check connections, or better, stop the software and use, unfortunately, this one. So do the switches respond? Then let's go to this one, which doesn't respond. Let's see. Well, no problem here. No problem. Then one opposite of it. Oh no, I know this. Is it? It's not pressed. Not pressed means no response. Then the chain, which is motor 1, the short chain, which indeed has no activity, which is not good, and that explains why. So let me go here. This is a loose wire, which means the short chain does not respond. I have to fix it. Oops. Alright, now you can see that this one does respond, which is that one, which is now pressed, and that motor, or more further, this motor does work now as well. So if I put the camera down, that's a lot better. So close the interface and run again, camera in hand, and go. Now that part just works. And let's see if this one is willing to operate as well. And yes, there it goes. So now all balls coming down should go this track. And there it goes. So once again, press the switch. There it goes. And well, this is obviously not the idea. Alright, a little bit of help. Those work okay. Back here, press. There it goes. So, and yet I do hear some things that I do not really like. No, there's a ball down there, gone out of the track. But overall, it seems to be working. And I'm quite happy to say that, of course. So, what more? Not quite sure, except making sure that balls don't leave the track. And so with two very small fixes, one here and one with the wiring and the controller, looked like a successful run this time, except for one ball dropping out, but okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please, if you like this, show support and either donate via PayPal or IBAN or become a patron. For more information on becoming a patron, please see my website on my Patreon page. The website is listed under this video. And click the subscribe button in the lower right corner. This is going to be continued in some way or another. Obviously, some faults have to be adjusted. For now, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.